y'all, welcome back to another video. Because why not? Been like a month since I did it. I'm here with my friend Kiki. She got her own channel. I'm gonna tag her down there. You know how it be. So today we doing the whisper challenge with the headphones. The goal is that you make your music as loud as possible, and the other person's supposed to whisper into your ear, and you're supposed to guess what they're saying. All right. So, I'm gonna get on into it. Girl, say hey.
Oh, hey.
God.
I was waiting for you to finish.
All right, we finna start. Excuse her ratchet ass
headphones. Okay. It is ratchet. I have to get a new one.
I can barely hear you speaking with these. I don't have these.
It's very loud.
Okay, bet. As loud as possible. All the way up. We gotta have it all the way up. What you gonna tell me? Go ahead. I can't look at your lips either. Come on. Oh, I'm supposed to look at your lips. I didn't know. Like, what am I supposed to do?
You're supposed to look at my lips.
Okay.
What are you listening to?
Oh, what am I listening to? Tie Me Up, Shansia, We on the new tunes. Oh, my friend from St.Croix, y'all. U.S. Virgin Islands.
Yes, I'm from St.Croix.
Gotta tell y'all.
Yeah.
That's why she sound like that.
Yeah, I have my little accent.
I like this song. Okay, new song. And we gotta do a new thing. So it took me forever to figure that one out. We're gonna do like 5. Damn, I'm yelling. We can do like 5. You can turn this one up a little bit.
How was your day? I think I went too fast. How was your day?
How was your day? That was it. Girl, honestly, you yelling like speaking loud.
Let me stop.
You're supposed to be like, how was your day? How was your day?
Okay.
Like it's a whisper challenge, not how was your day. Like a conversation challenge. All right. I'm gonna choose a song.
What is your favorite song that you listen to?
What is your favorite? Repeat it.
What is your favorite song that you listen to?
Yeah, what about want us? Pass along.
Oh my god.
Lights enough. What is my favorite thing to do?
No.
Oh, I really thought that's what you said.
What is your favorite song you listen to?
What's my favorite song?
You listen to.
My favorite song?
Mm-hmm.
What is my favorite song?
This is not Juve.
Just like
This
that.
is not Juve.
Just like that.
This is not Juve.
Look how she pushing it back.
This is not Juve.
My favorite song is I like Black Hypocrisy by Spice. Oh, I really like that song.
Did you like the Virgin Islands when you
Am I a virgin?
No.
No.
I didn't ask that.
Go ahead.
Okay, let me say something that. Did you enjoy your vacation when you visited St. Croix? Did you enjoy your vacation? Well,
Do you want, is that what you said?
No. Okay. Did you enjoy Am I short? Okay. Do you enjoy your trip?
Did you say, I heard trip. Did you say, did you enjoy your trip? Oh yeah, I did make a vlog. I did go to St. Croix, and yes, I did enjoy my trip very much.
She showed the ring and
Gotta flash the gold real quick.
She showed the ring and
Sorry. Gucci link on the way. But anyways, I grew up on reggaeton, reggae, and Spanish music because my mom is Dominican and she came from Santo. She and my whole family from La Vega and Santo Domingo. So when I found about like soca and like calypso and dancehall, I was like, what is this? What is this? I like this in here. That's I like immediately was like started listening to all of it. Huh?
This is the last one.
At a fiend.
No, this is why we cannot finish the video. This is why, okay? This is why.
Anyway, girl, come on. Okay. My knees sweating.
What is your favorite hobby?
What is my favorite?
What is your favorite hobby?
What is your family name?
What is your favorite hobby?
What is my favorite cup?
What is your favorite hobby?
Did you say, why do I say no cap?
She will never get this one.
Cap.
No. What is your favorite hobby?
Capital. I don't know. You're saying what is your favorite, right?
Mm-hmm.
You are? Well, what is the last part? Wait, no, don't say nothing. Dang, girl, this quick old song. Okay. Well, okay, what was the... I just can't get the last part. What is your favorite...
What is your favorite hobby?
Couple? I don't know.
What is your favorite hobby?
What's my favorite captain? My favorite play? My favorite school?
No.
My favorite song? My favorite...
What is your favorite hobby?
Computer?
Yeah, but it's fine.
Uh-oh, I broke them. There we go. There it is. Okay, go again. I'm gonna look at you from there.
What is your favorite hobby?
Man, fuck this. I don't know what you saying, bro. I have no idea. Like, what did you say?
What is your favorite hobby?
Hobby? I kept seeing C. Conclusions, man. I don't know what she was saying. Anyways, but that looked like the end of the video. Shot the video long as hell. I'm gonna have to edit it for it. Anyway,
if she don't get distracted.
yeah, like and subscribe, cause you know I'm cool. I'm cool. I'm kind of funny.
She's crazy.
This 100%. And my content is just like everybody else's content. So, you know, nothing different. You know, just stop along, say hi, go follow my girl.
It would be down
Foreign
below.
Princess Vlogs, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember that. It'll be down there. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Gang. Why you do that? Yo, cut through. They be on my don't. I don't give up. I might be on my squirrel, but that nigga, no. What's up?